Hey guys, now I think I should show you the footage from Tropical Storm Gordon. Let's just play it. Yo guys, Tropical Storm Gordon is here. Margot Island, Florida. Guys, we're here in Margot Island, Florida. And it's here. Look at this. Hey guys, we're here. Like crap's pounding on our door. We're gonna die here. Well, no, I've been through Irma, so we're not gonna die. I'm not gonna die from a tropical storm. I'm going outside. I'm out here, and it's blowing. Blowing on this. Winds of like 60 miles per hour. Oh crap. I'm going out. Oh god. God, I'm being soaked. Ruining my shirt. Oh god. Get inside. Oh no, I'm being soaked. Get inside. Oh crap, I just got soaked. I didn't even go outside. I actually did. Oh crap, it's the hurricane. Yeah, because it just started. Cut the foot. Yeah, they probably lost power. Like
School will reopen on Thursday.
I know.
After we have to
Wait, Thursday? Was it gonna be flooding? Oh my god. Okay, okay, Millie, let's go in the backyard. There's a hurricane. Are you scared? Oh god! Wow. I've been in worse, but this is kind of strong for just a tropical storm. Like Tropical Storm Philippe, I don't even think it was this strong. Oh crap! I remember Tropical Storm Philippe was pretty strong, but it wasn't this strong. Oh god. Guys, my camera's gonna break. Let me wipe my camera off. The screen is all wet. The screen's all wet. Okay, got it. Really? Are you scared? That's the gutter leakage because the holes got popped out during Irma. Well, there was like holes that got in our gutters because like there was like sticks being thrown around. I guess it like poked through the gutters. Because this house is not too expensive. Let's just knock this over. Oh crap! The circuit's open. Whatever. It's probably gonna be blown open anyway. It's flooded! Yeah. Okay, let's get inside. Let's get inside.
I got wet.
Let's get inside.